In this guide, I'm going to show you how to cook fast and upgrade cooking time and speed here in BBQ It Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, to cook faster in the game, you need to upgrade your cooking speed. This is going to be right outside of your yard. You're going to see cook time right here. Essentially, make your way over to this. You're going to have to spend a little bit of money, but this will increase your cooking speed. Spend money on this upgrade whenever possible. As soon as you can, try and spend money on this. As you level it up, the time required to cook will decrease, and you'll see the difference by placing food on the grill and watching how quickly it finishes cooking. You'll notice it almost immediately. The higher your cooking speed level, the faster meals are prepared, allowing you to serve customers more efficiently and earn money a lot faster. So if you want to speed up your cooking, focus on upgrading your cooking speed whenever you have enough cash. It's about 2,500. The full process, though, it really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.